So what I got is a 1962, 1963, it's running well, and a 1964. The 62 and the 63 are both titled. The 64 I bought as a parts car, so I do not have a title for that one. And I'm sure we can figure out some shipping or some sort of deal if you'd like to buy all three. That's the way I'd like to sell them. So you can reach out to us here, or there's an email listing in the link below. You can send us an email and check it out, and hopefully we can set you up with these three Belvederes. So we're gonna go from the very bad to the pretty good to the not as good. So this one here is a 64 Belvedere. It's got pretty rotted floor. It's not very good. Keys in the ignition. That's nice. In general, it's an okay car, or a really good parts car. I wouldn't say it's not buildable. It's definitely buildable. The body's pretty good, but that floor is gonna need to be replaced. It has a 318 in it right now. Fender tag is here. You can't really see what's on it, but decent enough car. So in this lot, I'm gonna be selling three cars, three Belvederes. This is the 1964, and next we're gonna go up to the 1963, which is considerably better and running. So there's a reasonably good chance it will start, or it may not. But this is the 63 Plymouth Belvedere. Pretty good car. Definitely buildable, finishable, restorable. This also has the 318. Even the door panels are nice. So I actually haven't started this in probably a month. Probably should start it more often, obviously, but that's why I'm selling these three, is because I think it's a good set of a 64, a 63, and next a 62 collection of Belvederes. So this one's pretty nice. I mean, obviously needs restoring, but very complete. I like this car a lot, actually, but can't keep everyone I find, so I'm gonna have to let these three go. All right, last but not least, we have the 62 Belvedere. This car spent a lot of time in high desert, so it looks like it's been blasted pretty hard. The trunk's got these couple holes, and similarly on the other side, but other than that, you know, pretty solid. Just looks like it's been sandblasted really terrible. This has the 3-speed in here, and I believe it has a 318 as well. So this car is pretty cool also. 1962 Plymouth Belvedere. Got a little bit of a owie right there. But in general, it's a really nice car. Haven't done anything with it. Haven't tried to turn the motor over. Haven't tried to do anything. Just put it indoors basically. And if you like what you saw here, click that subscribe button so we can bring you more videos about Mopars and other classic cars.